is it so hard to take the leap? To grit our teeth and step outside our comfort zone? There are moments in life when we feel uncertain, even though we're perfectly prepared. And we sometimes feel small when faced with big changes. Some decisions cannot be taken lightly. It can be tempting to give in to our fears. But aren't these the very moments that make us? Nothing beats the excitement of confronting a new challenge. Nothing is as rewarding as growth. And beginning the magic of a new chapter. CEREC. Now is the time.